Hello, my name is Sushmita Sana. Today I'll be presenting my employee attrition dashboard, which I built using the Tableau. The goal of this analysis is to help the CEO understanding why employees are leaving the company and what steps can be taken to reduce attrition. First, I'm going to open my dashboard. You can look. I'm going to give the overview of the dashboard. This is my employee attrition dashboard. It contains four interactive charts: employee leaving versus staying, and the second chart is attrition by department, and the chart you can see is attrition by income level, and the fourth one is attrition by attrition versus job satisfaction. At the top of that, you can see the two filters. One is gender and one is department. And you can see here the data in two different groups, no and S. No means which is looking in the blue color represents the employees staying, and which is looking in the orange color, it tells how many employees have been leaving this company. And the chart one is employee leaving versus staying. The first chart shows the overall idea about the attrition. We can see the majority of employees are staying with the company, shown in blue. However, there is still a noticeable portion of employees who are leaving, shown in orange, represent employees who left. And the second chart is attrition by department. The second chart break down the attrition by departments: research development, sales, and human resources. Sales has a significant higher attrition rate compared to its size. Employees in sales are leaving more frequently, and the human resources have fewest employees and the lowest attrition count. This tells us the sales department needs special attention. And the chart number three is attrition by income level. It's based on the income like low, medium, and high. We can clearly see the employees in the low income category have high attrition rate. Yeah, and this is very important finding. Employees who earn less are more likely to leave the company. And the chart number four, attrition versus job satisfaction. Here, the fourth chart shows the relation between the job satisfaction and attrition. Job satisfaction rate from 1 to 5 tends to have more attrition. Looking at the chart, employees with low job satisfaction scores tends to have more attrition, shown by the orange color bars. Confirms that the employees are not satisfied with their jobs. They are more likely to leave. And from this dashboard, my key insights are based on my analysis. The first one is employee with low job satisfaction leave more. And the second one is job in who are having low income employees have more attrition. And the third one is sales department shows higher turnover compared to the other department. My three best recommendations for this company is: my first recommendation is to increase the pay and benefits for low income employees, since the data clearly shows that the income is low for the employees and they're leaving more. Improve their compensation with directly helping and retaining them. And my second recommendation is to improve job satisfaction across all the departments, especially in the sales. This can be done through employees re- reconstructing program, career development opportunities, and a better management support. And my third recommendation is to conduct regular employee feedback surveys by understanding what employees are about unhappy. Before they decide to leave, the company can take early action to fix those issues. And most critical recommendation is, I believe, who is having the low income, and here the data is strongly showing that the low pay is the biggest driven for attrition. If the companies does not take action on this may continue to lose more employees, which will result in hiring and training them in for more cost. On the other hand, investing is the better pay. Now we will save money in a longer run and improve employees loyalty and morale. In conclusion, the employee attrition dashboard gives us a clear idea about why employees are leaving, and the main factor are low income, we can see, and low job satisfaction rate, and high turnover in the sales department. By acting on these recommendations I present today, the company can significantly reduce attrition and build a stronger, more stable workforce. Thank you for your time.